Hey, what's up? May nakasabay ulit ako na race and it's kind of unusual because it's a Saturday and races are usually held on a Sunday. Siyempre, congrats sa lahat ng tumakbo. Anyway, this is a tempo run and I was wondering why my second of the two segments is always about 15 seconds slower. I don't know if I'm not pushing hard enough. I also think that I should be able to do this if I did it continuously kasi nagawa ko na dati yan. Or maybe because I'm conscious of staying at my tempo heart rate. Actually, I just checked and my last tempo run was on pace and I ran that well. So maybe I shouldn't be worrying about this run. Pero kahit ano pa man, thankful pa din ako na nakatakbo ng ganito at safe. At saka isa pa tumigil yung ulan nung lalabas na ako para tumakbo. Yun lang, video na yun.